I'm so excited because I do believe this bow is being made for me. So I personally put in a custom order with Lorie this week to make me a football bow for my garden boxwood wreath that I have at home. To me personally, nothing compares to Lori's bows. I absolutely love how she makes her bows, and I can't make them like she makes them. So I put in a personal order with her for my bow for Ole Miss because my husband is a big Rebels fan. So first off, she's starting with a 2.5-inch football linen ribbon. I love this ribbon. I think this is great for the season, and I think this is going to look great on my boxwood wreath. So this ribbon is actually one of my favorite ribbons. It's a 2.5 inch. Now you can see that it's not printed on both sides. So what Lori's going to do is as she makes her loop, she's going to grip that with her left hand while twisting to make sure that the print stays on each side. So basically that the football print is on the front side. So all you have to do is twist it a little bit. Don't ever get intimidated by this. It's real easy just to twist the ribbon to get it the way you want it. Next, she's going to go in with this 1.5-inch bright red satin ribbon. This is wired. All of our ribbons are wired. Actually, I think this might be a linen. We will look this up and I'll have this tag below. If you want to purchase this, you can find it at www.tmigifts.com. So she did loops on each side, and you can see she went ahead and cut that so that she could start and have more tails, which is a technique that Laura uses a lot, and I absolutely love it. It really makes your bow look very full. Then to top it off, she's going to go ahead and pair on top this light blue 1.5-inch ribbon. This is really pretty, and I think this is going to be stunning for Ole Miss colors. And again, she's using that same technique. She did a few bows and then she cut the ribbon so that we have more tails. And then she's going to hide that zip tie. So we really like to use zip ties to secure our bows. It's one of my favorite ways. You can also find zip ties at tmigifts.com. But she does that little loop right there in the middle so that when she slips her zip tie back there, you will never even see it. So I don't know if it shows it here, but Lori's going to slip me another zip tie underneath that zip tie right before she secures it so that I can secure it to my wreath. This bow is beautiful and it's going to be perfect for my front door.